Hey guys, Chris here. Today I'm unboxing my new latest tool to the shed, my new addition. It's the WorkZone Titanium Plus 2200 watt table saw, 254mm. It comes with two table width extensions and two TCT saw blades and base unit. It also comes with great built-in dust collection, which is going to be really useful, and it's got a miter gauge and a fence. So I think we'll start by doing this. It's also got a 5-year warranty, which is definitely useful. I just got to find a saw, not a saw, what's wrong with this? Don't worry. Okay, I got my knife. As you can see, that's what it looks like. So it's going to go basically roughly there. I'm going to have another power conduit coming up from there to give it full power. That's the side. That's everything it comes with. You can probably pause that. And I got this at Aldi in Frankston, Australia. You can look it up if you want. There's the built-in dust collection over blade guard, which is nice, and it's got 90 to 45 degree cuts. This was only $100 Australian. You can convert it if you want, which is an amazing price for a table saw. It comes with the legs, table, everything shown. So I gotta assemble it now. Starting off the unboxing, I gotta cut down this middle strip. And on the sides. Here we go. There we go. Now, Aldi did not send this to me or anything. I did pay for it with my own money. But I do trust Aldi and WorkZone and all their different appliances. I actually have the WorkZone lathe that they do sell, which is a beast, which is very useful. You got the user manual, and then that's the table there. It actually already comes with the saw blade in it, and it is not a combination blade. It is like a carbide flat one, which is definitely useful for making box and teeth joints and finger joints, I should say. Let's take a look at this manual. So you can actually warranty certificates, you can fill it out, such as that. I'll be keeping that. It's got a 5-year warranty, which is great. The lathe has a 3-year warranty. It's just over there, and you can probably watch some videos of me using it. So it looks like it's already come pre-assembled for the most part. So I will be referring to this as we go along. So I'm going to have that on hand. Now, what is this? This must be the extra saw blades. I'm hoping, because the weight of this, yes, I'm correct. Does it come with two? No, only one. That's alright though. I can always go out and buy another one. I'll show you the teeth on this. And it's actually nice because it did come with its own blade sort of guard, so there's a plastic rim. I don't know if you can see the blades, the teeth. I'll take this plastic cover off without trying to cut myself. There. I don't know. You'll probably see it in a later video. I think these are actually carbide, which is good. So I'll actually, since there's already one in there, I'll just put this back on. So I don't want to cut myself. Trying not to cut myself. That would probably be a really stupid, bad idea. Well, since I can't actually get that back on, I'm just going to leave it there on here. Now, it's got a built-in metric measuring system. Yeah, since it's Australian, which is great. I don't have to start measuring lumbers and timbers and stuff. This is the leg assembly. As you can probably see, that was along there. It's like 2 legs in one. Some cardboard. All the trash is going over there, so you'll start to see it pile up eventually. Don't know what's over here though. I'm guessing this is the side extensions. Yes, I would be correct. Some plastic. And there's 2. Yep. Both aluminium, very pretty light, and they're hollow. Both exact same. We'll figure them out in a second. Now this is the main weight of the table saw, so I'm going to have to get around, lift it, or not. Okay. It is actually red, but in the manual it's grey, so I don't know what's with that. I'm going to cut the box around the corners so you can get in it. Like I said, if you don't fully know the company that you're buying from, I would not suggest doing this just in case you do have to return it, but I definitely know that I need this and I want this. And obviously this is not going to be like a saw stop table saw, because those table saws, as you probably guys know, are thousands of dollars. And I don't have thousands to buy it with. Being safe not to cut myself, it doesn't really look like it. There you go. I'm going to move all these parts over here. Oh, that was shocking. Now, I'm going to put that over there. Oh, there's actually something in here. Maybe more leg assemblies, I don't know. So this came underneath. Wait, I'll undo this. Okay. Yep, I'm right, it's more leg assemblies. Yeah. With some brackets. And a lot of bolts and screws, okay. That's just all bolts, washers and nuts. Can go there and that can go there. I'm going to try and slide this out. As delicate as possible. I'm doing this on the cardboard. I don't know if it's doing anything. I think I'm gonna have to unscrew the top. Oh no. Flip it around, such as this. Okay, this looks like the push stick. That's the push stick. Every table saw comes with one of those. And it looks like the blade guard. There you go. blow guard. So that's the suction, I guess. Push stick. Gonna look for these. There's like 2 little steel brackets. I'm guessing all the black parts are steel, and then all the white, the silver metallic paint are all aluminum. It comes with 2 wrenches, both at the same size, probably about, I don't know, maybe 3 to 34 mil in space. Obviously for undoing the table saw blade. Also got an Allen key. That's not really important. There you go. Doing the nuts and washers and things up. So that just comes out after everything's taken. Also, there's more dust collection in the bottom, and the base of it is plastic, which is, oh sorry, this is heavy. This is the table fence. So it's all aluminum. It's got a bit of T-track in it. It's got a locking feature. So yeah. There we go. I'll give you a better look at this later when it's on. Now we've got some plastic parts, such as feet for the corners of the legs. They're just made out of rubber, I'm guessing, or plastic. Feels like both. I would say rubber. Heavy duty rubber, so that's what they look like. What else? Oh, so you've got a T fitting, which is good, so you don't have to actually run 2 lines for the vacuum. You've got your T. Actually, no, you've got your miter gauge. Yeah, you've got the miter gauge. So that's the fence of it. Flipping it around, there's the back, and that's what goes into the T slot, such as this. Now you can loosen it up, move it, and it's got the markings and a nice steel pointer so it won't chip. Definitely useful. What's next? Looks like the handle for the knob. The knob, I don't know what that's for. The thing that you can change the height and angle. Okay, there we go. Now we get a better look at this. Nice, it's got rubberized coating. This can go. Oh, and it's already got a hose in there. Wasn't expecting that. There we go. Pop that down there. Is there any more surprises in the bottom? I wouldn't say so. It looks like there's a reset. Don't know what that does. It's just above the off and on switch. So that is about it. Where's the handle thing? Okay. Trying to do my best here. This is actually my first ever table saw, so I'm very happy with that. So this, in this little pack, it's got a knob, handle, which is very rubbery plastic. It's got like a bolt, but it's got some. Sorry about that. Basically what I was saying, handle, bolt, and washers and a nylon threaded nut. I'm going to skip to a next view of me installing that. Okay, let's put this on. Doesn't not, oh damn it, well, looks like this goes on via here. Looks like a washer and goes on here. Found a washer. That goes on there. The nut that is doing stupid crap goes somewhere along the bottom. Can't find it now, but there. Sorry. Oh god. Okay, that was so gross down there. Okay. Found it. Washer, please excuse me. No. The washer is not having any part of helping me, apparently. Goes under there, I'm guessing. Go under there, okay. This is not making any sense, okay. What? Please explain. Well, it might actually want to come up from the top, so. No, it doesn't want to come up from the top. That's okay. Don't even worry about it. Yeah, so that wants to go under there. And then this wants to go under there. Oh! I need a screw thing, a screwdriver. I'm just going to use it by hand, so not a surprise. So it's not actually wanting to open. Well, I mean, it's not going to want to open. I don't know. I'm going to use my low power drill for this so I won't strip anything important. There you go, champ. Ha. Ah, found it. So you find 0, tighten that. Oh, she's a little flimsy, don't even worry about her though. That can't be as high as it goes, can it? Okay, don't even worry about it. Dude, she's going high. Dude, that goes up high, man. I'm gonna pop it down below the surface of this so I don't accidentally nick myself. Oh, it's got like a clip. Yeah. Okay. Let's get started now. It's got a thing on the side. I don't know. I'm gonna flip this upside down. Trying to be careful, obviously. That's the power cord, that's the thing, that's what it looks underneath, and it's scary. Okay, that's what it looks underneath. Oh, I'm so hot and sweaty, it's weird.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with